in the fall of 2020, in my ongoing research, I got my first copies of the emergency use authorization applications of Pfizer, Moderna, AstraZeneca to medical regulators like the FDA and like the Public Health Agency of Canada. And when I read those,
Dr. Trozi, was this like in November of 21? We're talking when the Canadian Physicians and Transparency Group got all those records from Pfizer. Is that what we're talking about? Or
no, this is even earlier. I think this is as early as October. I just kind of went out of my way and said, let me get the applications that they used to apply for emergency. So I got the earliest documents you could get with some details. And the first thing I read was the ingredients. And the ingredients were not the ingredients of a vaccine. That was very blatant. You know, a vaccine is a few hundred or a few thousand particles of the thing you're vaccinating against. So it could be like attenuated virus, you know, a couple thousand copies of the virus damaged or modified so it can't cause infection. But what was in these things was these infinite tissue penetrating lipid nanoparticles, which I looked up, I could study, and I could say, wow, these were used to like get drugs into the brain and experimental cancer treatments and things. Like these are a infinite tissue penetrating vehicle. And what was inside them? Now, what was inside them turned out to be worse than the ingredients that I got. But the ingredients were also telling some truth. And what was in there was modified messenger RNA to deliver the genetic code to cause these human cells everywhere in the body to actually manufacture the most toxic part of the coronavirus, the spike protein. At that point, Joseph, a red light went off in my head.